Guju ginawa piraske kwe indayama nungum oshke asike biagan ginandike kendan ni eu Nawaj banjii debashkineg niibowa Nawaj niibowa debashkineg. So today we're talking about things that hold or holding objects that hold more or less is what we're talking about, less or more. Nawaj banjii, something that holds less o. Niibowa Nawaj niibowa debashkineg, something that holds more. Wegwinish o, it's kind of like which one weighs more. But if we look at them, you can kind of see which one might weigh more. This one only has like a tiny piece of paper in it. This is our Nawaj banjii debashkineg. This one holds less. It has less things. Emma, it kind of weighs less. But if you look at the size, they look a little bit different, but they're about the same size. They're about the same size. But this one has more stuff inside of it. Another thing we can look at is we can look at our pens or pencils. We have two black pencils here. Which one? Nawaj banjii debashkineg. Which one holds less? Let's take a look. I would say this one because this one is skinnier and it's also about the same height as this one. Anin awegunish Nawaj niibowa debashkineg. Which one holds more? Which one holds more? This one holds more. It's kind of like if you're thinking about the ink that is inside of each of our writing utensils. Which one holds more? Something to think about. If you were to have a water bottle, two different kinds of water bottles, you would look at which one is bigger, michog. Just one thing to carefully look at. So those are our new ikadobanan for today, our new words. Another thing I want to point out to you is we have two different nabagasags here. We have kitchen nabagasag and we have nabagasinks. We have a small little whiteboard. Owegwinish Nawaj banjii debashkineg. Which one holds less? Which one holds less? Miwabanan. Nabagasag. This board holds less. Minwa owegwinish Nawaj niibowa debashkineg. Which one holds more? Nabagasag. This board holds more writing on it. Hopefully that helps you understand our new skill for today. Thank you for listening to me. Remember, we're talking about which one holds less and which one holds more. Take a